Good morning, guys. So we're here at some mini airport. Bhaji, can you explain to them what we're doing? Can you explain to them what we're doing?
We are, what are we doing here?
We're gonna go fly a plane. Or actually, we're not, but like some pilot's gonna fly us, and then, yeah. So this is some like mini airport, you know what I'm saying? But that's what we're doing today. I'm pretty excited. Probably one of those, or that, one of those, something like this, but yeah. So what are your thoughts, Bhaji?
I am kind of nervous, but at the same time I'm very excited.
So this is right here. This is a pilot. So what's happening is that we're gonna fly over. We're gonna fly over Niagara, and yeah, it's pretty cool. We have an hour, well, 2 hours on this plane, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Thank you.
Your very own headset.
Wow.
You can hop in. There's a step more. Step it up. Hold that.
Hold what? This?
Yeah,
see?
I guess. Hop in.
Okay.
Just on the side there, you see how there's two holes?
Is this right? Right here?
Yep, that looks good to me.
Okay. Cool.
Of course.
Look right there. You excited? I'm excited. Perfect. All right, let's go.
Said I'm the man now. Who the man now? Said I'm the man now. Looking back at what year, always knew to get to there. Never wanted overnight, went to war to win the fight. Still working like I ain't been hurt yet, right like I ain't said a word yet. Labels ain't seeing my worth yet, but it's all love, I ain't served yet. Coming with the time of old streets, right time they think you with the team. Been a long vision, but I'm steady at it. I've seen a vision, seeing what they see. Tired of hearing comparisons. There's nobody like me here. I gotta do it for me. I gotta do it for them. Gotta do it for my family. Go get a scratch up on my feet again. These days I invest more. I buy less J's, I take less L's. Don't you can pass it to me, I'm good. I got me higher than backwards. I'm just doing everything I should. So when I say this, no, I knew I would. I knew I would.
Downtown Toronto is all the way down there. This is so cool. I love it.
I'm the man now. Who the man now? Said I'm the man now. Who the man now? Said I'm the man now. I got a girl who with me for me. I got a team who believe in the dream. I got a family who want me to win. I got some friends who with me to the end. I got some fans who be ride or die. I got some music to change your life. I know I do, cause it's changing mine. Saying I ain't the man would have been a lie. You know I've been on a roll, so I reinvent the wheel. I ain't got no time to stall, guess I hold the pressure in. Came before playing for ages, think I'm about to get it in. I'm the man you took for granted, I'm the one you called a clown. Now the fan base 4 times bigger than the town. By the chorus you may think my head got too big for the crown, but this ain't about the ego, it's about love and what you found. Who the man now? Said I'm the man now. Who the man now? Said I'm the man now. Who the man now? Said I'm the man now. Who the man now? Said I'm the man now.
That was awesome. Amazing. I actually loved it. Wow. Oh. Oh my god. That was... Sorry. Ooh. That was amazing. I have no words, honestly. Okay, guys, I'm at home now. Home. Wait, what? Where'd my camera go? What the? Okay guys, so I'm gonna try something new here. This is sadly all the milk we have, so let's see what we can do here. Yo, am I a chef or what? You know what I'm saying, bro? Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. It was pretty fun going up on the plane, and I'll see you guys in a bit.